Like and subscribe to our channel, Fabulous Patio Media Group, by using the link below. This morning, Tuesday, the CCSA announced daily figures lower than those of recovered patients. 20,128 new cases discovered and 20,791 recovered and released from quarantine, but with a report of 239 deaths attributed to the virus. As the current regulations for areas with high COVID counts has been extended and can be expected to be extended further too, so one concession has been afforded to banking customers, as branches in malls will be allowed to open. No one expected anything other than an extension of the current closure listings, and that will remain in place until the vaccination rates and case counts improve. The CCSA has announced that for Thais, the vaccination plans nationally will be focused still on the elderly and those with underlying conditions, and is encouraging people to purchase the ATK self-test kits, now available for a few hundred baht from most pharmacies. The governor of Samut Sakhon is said to have resigned his post in the seaport province, which was previously ravaged by the virus. Poor health has been attributed to his quit, but having handled the worst of outbreaks over the past 9 months, he's expected to leave within days for a well-deserved retirement. King Chulalongkorn Memorial Hospital, the Thai Red Cross Society and the Chula Vaccine Research Centre have posted claims that a new mRNA-type vaccine developed there has passed its first series of small clinical trials. The project, which is run in conjunction with the University of Pennsylvania, has seen 36 humans vaccinated and develop immunity rates similar to those seen with Pfizer, and with very little in the way of side effects. Now asking for government funding, the project could see an easy-to-produce vaccine that is successful with all current predominant strains of the virus and produced here in Thailand. The second phase of the trials begins within a week, and if all goes well, the new vaccine doesn't need to be cultured, as the AstraZeneca version does, so production could be a lot faster. According to the Thai government, some 6.5 billion baht has already been passed on to the unemployed, those employed on lower wages, and to companies in the form of staff subsidies, all within the higher COVID zones. It's also expected that the government will announce a food purchase subsidy program, a 50-50 program, by the end of September. Meanwhile, at home and in our own region, Chonburi this morning reports 1,182 new cases, with 260 in Chonburi City, 376 in Sriracha, 216 in Banglamung, and the balance spread around the province. Despite the naysayers, the city is doing a very good job at the moment with vaccine supplies, with yesterday seeing traffic backed up for over a kilometre in 2 lanes, all queuing to get into the indoor sports stadium, where vaccines ran for most of the day. The good news for locals is that the free service was not just Sinovac, but AstraZeneca and others too. All in all, it's taken a while to get supplies, but the Patio region is moving in many areas to ensure vaccinations for all. And the free service at Bangkok Patio Hospital is also up and running for expats, and we'll be visiting today to see exactly how that runs. At the moment, we're told, the daily programme sees people in and out within an hour, including the 30-minute waiting period after the vaccination's taken place. Currently working on those over 60 or with poor health. It will be shortly expanded to other ages, once those over 60 are serviced. Bangkok Patio Hospital is one of several hospitals offering free service to expats, and a full list of all hospitals offering the same, with links, is available from the website thailandintervac.com. That's Thailand, INTERVAC.com. Sad news or good news for Pattaya Beachfront, as the programme was initiated to remove the remaining large trees along the beaches, which would have left a somewhat sterile frontage not dissimilar to Blackpool's Concrete Mile. Good news, though, as it appears the project has been halted after complaints. At some point, a small reminder of nature amongst the towering skyline is welcomed by many. And with the Met Office promising highs today of 31, dropping down to 28, a chance of rain at any time. Local and national news today from Fabulous 103 FM and Fabulous Patio Media Group. And to get a notification every time we release another bulletin or programme,